is Alex Cecilia. I'm a graphic artist. I'm going to show you how to make color vibrations in Photoshop. So I'm going to make just like a radial color vibration image here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like the sphere is vibrating with color. So I'm going to go ahead to, under the move tool, there's the marquee tool. Select the elliptical marquee tool if you're looking to make an orb like I am. And I have a color scheme picked out, so I'm just going to start in the middle and kind of drag out so that it has that kind of circular form. And then I'm going to add a layer, and then I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to add another layer but underneath it. And then I'm going to go down to the custom shape tool by holding down the shape tool and going all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to go up to the shapes. And I'm going to select this circle outline. I'm going to start off by drawing a couple of these. And I'm gonna hold down Option and drag. And it's probably wise to change the colors. And then you're gonna want to make it bigger. And then you can make one more or two more depending on how radial you want it. My name is Alex, and this is how you make color vibrations in Photoshop. Thank you.